So hey yo, what's up video, thanks for watching UB's World. It's me Yubi and I'm back with another exciting video. Yeah, it's been a very long time since I haven't uploaded any video. It's been a month. So now without wasting any more time, let's get started to the video. So today's video is about top 5 most amazing tips and tricks of iPhone 12 or upcoming any iPhones. So without wasting any more time, let's get directly into the video. So here we go. So we all must be knowing this gesture, that is double tap or triple tap gesture, but we actually like it but don't know how to actually access it or enable it. So it's really simple. For that you just need to do is go to settings and then go to general. After going to general, you have to go to accessibility. Okay, after going to accessibility, go to touch option, and there in the scrolling down you will get at the last option, that is back tap. So in the back tap you will find two other options, that is double tap and triple tap. You can just access it whichever command you want to give. Like after double tapping you can just take a screenshot or go to home screen or do any other stuff which you want. You can set it as per your particular wish, and according to that, after setting up, you just need to do is go back, and yeah, it's done. So let's get started. So as you guys can see, it's really responsive, and it's actually a cool feature. When you triple tap, there is a CD app, and double tap, there's a screenshot. That's great. We all are aware about this feature, that is hidden cabinet. Yes, in photos we get an option to hide up pictures, but actually is it worth, like does it make any sense? Like let's see, if we hide this both pictures and let's hide it up, and after hiding any person, if he goes to our photos and just scroll down, he will find a hidden cabinet appear. It's like that makes no sense. It's not even a hidden cabinet, it's just going into other folder. So to make it much more crispier, much more interesting, you need to do is go to settings, search for photos, and after going to photos you will find option hidden album. Just disable it, that's it. After doing that, you won't find a hidden cabinet appear, and if you want to see it back, just enable the hidden album, and here you go. Isn't that simple? So the next trick is just to make your iPhone home screen look a bit cooler. So as you guys can see, there's an Memoji up here, and it actually looks good. It's not only about Memoji or any other like any Memoji related application. It's about you can just download or set any of the pictures you want. For that you just need to download this widget, photo widget, simple. And later after downloading it, just open it up, and after opening it you will find lots of themes, lots of many more widgets and many more things. So we are not talking about it right now. If you want to know more about it, then you can comment down below. And yes, for that we need to do is go to me option, that is in below right, bottom right, and just go to photos, and just need to do is go to plus icon, and you can just select whichever pictures you want to select, like whichever pictures you want as a slideshow, or you can just use any single photos. And after doing that, you just need to go is do whatever I'm doing right here. That's simple. So yeah, just go to photo widget in the widget section and just add up whichever you want. So I am adding this one, and after doing done, you just need to tap and hold on the widget section, and you need to go to photos and just select the particular album where you have selected the images, which all images you have selected. So if it is more than 2, then you will find a slideshow, and yeah, it's cool. So the next feature is about charging sound. So you can add a particular dialogue, whichever dialogue you want, while your charging is plugged in. So for that you need to go to shortcut and go to create personal automation and search for charger, and then you will find two options which is connected and disconnected. So you will get a dialogue which you have written down while connecting a charger port or disconnecting it, and then after going to add what actions, just need to search for speak text. Just search for speak text and just tap on it. And after doing that, you need to do is just double tap on the speak text, double tap on it, and just write whatever dialogue you want while you're connecting a cable to your phone. So you are good to go. And rate means the speed of dialogue, in which speed he will say it, and there are lots of languages whichever you want, you can just select it up. And yeah, and after going to that, you can just go and done, just connect to chat. So the next feature that comes up is from message SMS in iPhone itself. So yeah, for that, whenever you type something and you feel bored to go backspace, so you just need to shake the phone and you will find option undo typing. That's really cool, right? Yeah. So when you just do another thing, that is, if you want to copy text, you just need to tap 3 fingers on the screen and it will automatically copy the text. And yeah, that's really cool, right? So okay, and when you just slide your 3 fingers up, then whatever things you had undo will be redo. Yes, it was correct. And yeah, this is another cool feature, and that is, it's of no sense. This won't, if you do this, the other person won't find this all things in his phone. It's just for your benefit. That's it. So that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you guys must have liked this video, because I've tried to make something much better than before. And yes, I know it's been a really long time since I haven't uploaded any video. It's been 1 month, and 1 month break is too long. So yeah, I'll try to upload videos as soon as possible, because right now I'm not sure whether I'm able to upload any videos or not, because due to very busy schedules. And yes, I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. And please do support me, please do comment down. At least I need some motivation from you guys. That's it. So yes, let's meet in the next video. And yeah, until then, India.